Hey everyone, it's Luna here. Welcome back to Real Situations series. This is one of my favorite parts of learning a language, the real life part. Because let's be honest, we don't walk around saying things like, I have bought an item of clothing. No, we say, look what I got, or you won't believe what I just bought. Today's topic is exactly that. How to talk about something new you got, something you're happy about, something you just have to show someone. It could be anything, a new phone, a new bag, even a new haircut. And I'm going to show you how to sound natural, confident, and expressive, just like native speakers do in everyday conversations. So if you're ready, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. All right. Let's imagine this together for a second. It's a Saturday morning. You're out with your friend, walking around the city. You go into the store just to look, and then boom, you see it, that thing you've been thinking about forever. You pick it up, you check the price, and you have that little mental conversation with yourself. Should I? Should I not? It's a bit expensive, but I really want it. Okay, fine, I'll get it. I deserve this. And that's it. You walk out of the store, smiling, holding the bag like it's a trophy. You can't wait to show it to someone. Then you see your friend later and say, guess what? Look what I got. You're so happy that your face says it all. Now imagine you want to tell that same story in English, but you freeze. You start thinking about grammar, about tenses, about pronunciation, and suddenly the excitement disappears. You say, I bought new shoes, and your friend is like, oh, cool. But what if you said it like this? You won't believe what I just got. I've been wanting these for so long, and I finally got them. Look, they're perfect, right? Now that sounds alive. That sounds like a real person. Because when we talk about things we love, our face changes, our voice changes. We don't speak like we're reading a script. We feel it. So today, I want you to imagine that moment. Something new you got that made you smile. It could be your first camera, your favorite t-shirt, or even your new notebook for learning English. Hold that image in your mind, because we're going to use that feeling in this lesson. All right, now let me tell you my story. Because yes, I recently got something new, and I'm still super happy about it. So, I had these old headphones. And when I say old, I mean really old. Like the kind that survive only because of tape and hope. Every time I moved my head, the sound would go click, click, silence. So I had to sit perfectly still, like a statue. Then one day I said, okay, Luna, this is ridiculous. So I went to the store and tried a few headphones. Some were okay, some were too big, some were too expensive, and then I found the one. The moment I put them on, wow, the sound was amazing. It felt like the whole world disappeared. So I bought them, walked out of the store smiling like a kid, and called my friend immediately. Guess what? I finally got new headphones. And she said, no way, about time. I told her, they're so good, totally worth it. And since then, I've been using them every single day. They make editing, listening, and even working so much more fun. When you share something new with someone, you want the conversation to feel real, right? Here are things you might hear from friends. Oh my God, let me see. That's so cool. How much was it? Where did you get it? And you can answer naturally with phrases like, it wasn't cheap, but totally worth it. I got it on sale. I've been wanting this for months. It's honestly my favorite thing right now. These are real-life phrases, not classroom English, the kind you'll actually hear when people talk about something they love. All right, it's time for Luna tips. Tip 1. Use emotion. When you talk about something new, let your voice show it. Say it like you mean it. I love it. I'm obsessed. It's perfect for me. Tip 2. Add a little story. Don't just say, I got a new phone. Say, I've been wanting this phone for so long and I finally got it yesterday. That small story makes your English interesting. Tip 3. Use reaction words. When your friend shows something new, don't just say, nice. Say, that's awesome. No way. Or, wow, that's so cool. Tip 4. Be real, not perfect. You don't need perfect grammar. What matters is connection. If you're excited, if you show emotion, people will feel it, and your English will sound alive. And that's it for today's episode. Now it's your turn. What's something new you've got recently? It could be something simple. A new plant, a new mug, a new goal, anything. Try to describe it in English using the phrases we learned today. Write it in the comments. Guess what? I got a new blank. I'll be reading some of your answers in the next episode. Remember, English isn't just about words. It's about sharing little pieces of your life. So next time you get something new, don't just say it, feel it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. We're going to talk about natural ways to say, I don't know. See you soon. Bye!